Hi, my name is Tania Montes. I am the Administrative Assistant at 𝐻𝐲 School for Autism in Phoenix. 𝐻𝐲 School for Autism strives to educate our students to their highest level of individual achievement with individualized education plans. The Empowerment Scholarship Account, better known as ESA, is an account administered by the Arizona Department of Education, and it provides education options for qualified students K through 12. ESA is a state program that offers funds to parents who choose their students' individualized education path. 𝐻𝐲 School for Autism is a tuition-based private school for K through 12 students who have been diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, and we accept ESA funds as full tuition payment. The ESA scholarship provides no out-of-pocket cost to parents who choose to enroll their students at 𝐻𝐲 School for Autism. The Arizona ESA requirements are: you must be an Arizona resident. The ESA account must be under one of the parent or guardian's information along with their email address. The student is identified as having a disability who has an IEP, a MET, or an IEE, better known as Independent Educational Evaluation. And lastly, you must have all required documentation. The required documents are: photocopy of student's birth certificate front and back, showing all four corners. Parent's driver's license or government-issued photo identification. A proof of Arizona residency must include the full name of the applicant parent and must show the full physical Arizona address. A few documents approved as proof of residency are: utility bills such as water, gas, or electricity that are issued within the last 60 days. The document must show the entire bill and include all four corners of every page. The most current W-2 or property tax bill, to name a few. Lastly, one of three documents: the student's most current IEP, MET, or independent educational evaluation can be accepted from a qualified examiner such as a licensed physician, MD, DO, psychologist, or psychiatrist. Independent educational evaluation must include all testing, scores, and doctor observations that determine the student's diagnosis. No need to worry, at 𝐻𝐲 School for Autism, we are here to help parents through the entire application process for our student enrollments. Here is the step-by-step process to submit an ESA application. Step 1. Gather all needed documentation. Step 2. Create an online account through the ESA portal. Step 3. Submit the ESA application depending on your student's qualifying category. Step 4. Awaiting approval for ESA. ESA has 30 days to review your student's application. Step 5. After ESA reviews your student's application, there are a few responses you may receive. Response 1. Approval with an ESA contract. Response 2. Action required message from ESA. This means ESA is requiring additional documentation or the documentation provided is insufficient. Or 3. A denial letter. For more information regarding the Empowerment Scholarship Account, please visit www.azed.gov/ESA. To schedule a tour at one of our two campuses, please contact us at 480-826-1463 for Phoenix or 928-589-4510 for our Show Low and Silver Creek location. We are here to help through your students' enrollment and ESA process, and we thank you for choosing 𝐻𝐲 School for Autism for your students' specialized education and services.